spicy? Not spicy. Good afternoon from Jipijapa, Ecuador. I am at El Refugio, or the Refuge, to have lunch. This place has been around since the 80s, and Jipijapa is actually the name for the palm tree plant that they make Panama hats out of, which is from the coastal area. And the reason we are here, just drove to Jipijapa just for lunch, is because they make ceviche in a very different way. It uses peanut butter or mani. The taste is very different, and also it's one of the few places that actually serves ceviche with slices of avocado. So this is going to be a fantastic lunch. We've got the fish, the avocado, the mani sauce. We've got some parsley here, and of course some red onion. Now, here on the coast, the avocado is a little bit different. So it's slightly larger, has a lighter green skin, and actually the avocado is sweeter too. So let's just mix all of this up. This comes out so fast because not a lot you have to do with it. So you've got this mixed ceviche, and then of course they've got chifles, which are plantain chips, and we've got some house-made ají. This one looks spicy. I'm actually going to try this first on its own before I start adding things. And of course, these things are also meant for it. So we've got some salt, some pepper. Some people like to put ketchup into it, and other people like to put mustard. But before we get crazy, we are just gonna try it straight up like this. This ceviche, we've mixed it together. It has white fish, red onion, local avocado. We've got the mani or the peanut in it, and lots of fresh parsley. And of course, like all ceviche in Ecuador, this has been almost blanched. So just cooked for less than a minute, a few seconds, just to make sure that the fish is good, to kill anything that is not. And then it is in a lime sauce. Oh, gracias. Oh, wow. Here we go. You get that freshness of the lime and the brininess. The parsley is fantastic. These onions are pickled, and this fish is fresh. Underneath, it's just this very faint, like, foundation of peanut. It's not a strong flavor. It's not like you're eating peanut butter ceviche. It's just this nice little balance to it. Gives it a bit of depth. This is really good. Next up, we have the fish chicharron. So it looks like it's fish that has been deep fried, but the reason they call it chicharron is that it doesn't actually have batter. It's just fried chicharron. If it's as fresh as the ceviche, it's going to be delicious. It is. Just a great little snack of fried fish. We've got some beer. It's just a great lunch. All right, so once you try the ceviche plain, that's the time when you can start to mess around with it. Now, when I was in Guayaquil, we put both mustard and ketchup in it, as well as, I think, some ají and a bunch of other things. Oh, some olive oil. This, I'm just gonna try to make it a little bit spicy. That's spicy. Okay, this ají is spicy. It's a good idea first to try the ají before you put it in your dish. Anyway, not too spicy. And then I love coastal avocados. I love the light skin, fruity ones. So good. This is special to Jipijapa, Ecuador, which is in the Manabi province, to put this peanut in it. It's really nice. I actually don't want to add any of the mustard or ketchup to it just because it's so nice and bright.
Maybe you should. Maybe.
Do you want to try to add some? All right, Andreas is gonna put, that's it?
Mustard is quite strong.
That's true, mustard is strong. All right, let's see how this tastes. Now trying it with a little bit of mustard in it, not too much because you can ruin it. The mustard brings out the peanut flavor. I wouldn't add more mustard. You want to try it?
Try the ketchup now.
You try it with just the mustard, you tell me.
I mean, for me, it was perfect the way they did.
I thought it was perfect the way it was too, and you were like, let's add mustard.
Because that's how people eat it.
All right, that's how people eat it. So they try it, and if they think it's perfect, they still add things to it to see if it can be made better. What do you think? That mustard brings out...
Yeah.
I don't want to add more mustard.
No, I mean, yeah.
All right, now we're going to add ketchup. Will ketchup ruin it? Let's see. Are you going to put ají in it too?
No.
All right.
I mean, you can put it later.
All right, let's try it. This is now ceviche with mustard and ketchup. No, ketchup didn't make it better. Tastes different, but not better. I think it was good as it was. Don't add anything to this.
I mean, it depends, right?
It depends. You would think putting ketchup into ceviche would make it bad, but actually it has some umami in it, tends to bring out a lot of flavor. But in this case, no. But what if we put in some ají? All right, I'm gonna try it. This ají is very spicy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in, probably more than Andreas would have wanted. Ecuadorians don't like spicy things, and I just made it spicy. And not spicy. All right, I'm gonna leave it at this. This was really good. So, Jipijapa El Refugio, definitely worth stopping in. This is special to the Hippie area. Hippie. Jipijapa. No, Hippie Happy. This is special to the Hippie. This is special to the Hippie. Okay. This is, oh God. This is special to Hippie Hapa. This is special